So here we go. The PCBs for the quad screw are here, and I am absolutely terrified. I can barely look. I don't even know. Oh god, these just better be right. Here we go. Oh, they're green. To start, they had to be green. Green is the traditional circuit board colour, but also quad screws are green. Of course I was going to do them green. Oh god. Here we go. Hard with one hand, obviously. I don't want to risk any scratching of the board, so I'm being careful. Oh god. Oh, this is so scary, you've no idea. If I got these wrong, you're all going to have to wait 2 weeks, and I'm going to have to spend my entire profits replacing them with new ones. And I mean, that's how this works. Oh, it looks good so far. I'm just going to put this, trying to hold this a second in one hand while I cut this carefully. They look right. Let me just... I love that packaging, but it's a bit thick. Here we go, down the side a little. Here we go. Come on. There we go. So I just want to get one out. Just one out. Let's see what we've got. 5 packs of 25. Oh. That looks the business. It looks good. On the back. Oh, look at that. This is where you your op amp goes with some op amp suggestions. I think that looks right. Oh, that's just... I mean, I just have to start putting parts in that and try one, and that's it now. It looks the business. Oh, God. So scary. Hopefully they work. No.